just got an update. Whoa! Whoa. Okay, Animal Company just got an update. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, it's a pumpkin!
Hey yo!
Whoa!
Watch your mouth. Yeah, watch your mouth.
Yo, wait, what the hell is that? What the hell is that?
Watch your mouth.
It's basically a gravity gun.
What is
Look,
that?
look.
Is this gravity gun?
Look at this.
Oh my god, it's the
talking about
gravity gun from
how much money do you have?
Beamon! It's the gravity gun from Beamon!
How much money?
Wait, what the hell is this?
Shut up. How much? Look at this. Dude.
What's this?
You gotta
What's
put
this?
it
I
on
just find it. Wait,
Put
what's
it on
this?
red.
What do I do?
You gotta put it on red. Put it on red.
Wait, what's this? Wait, what's this?
Yeah. It's a camera. Dude.
My older brother just talking back to you.
Wait, what's this? What's this?
Want to your guy.
I'm gonna take a picture of you. I'm gonna take a picture of you.
What? Oh, it's working.
Can I take a picture of you?
What do
Can
I
I take
do?
a picture of you? It's gonna be
I didn't
worth
take a
1
picture, I
million.
didn't take a picture.
Damn, let's make some more money. Let's make some money so we can get some more bombs. Big bro.
Wait, I'm gonna take a picture of you. I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Yeah, white. You wanna leave the server?
I'm Gilbert.
There's bombs everywhere.
That's worth 1 million.
There's suicide bombers everywhere.
Hi.
Suicide.
What?
Well, I fucked up. Server's down.
Last server.
Who just kicked me out? Gordon.
Guys, the
I just
server-
got kicked out of the previous server.
Yo, I just got kicked as well.
Dude,
Everyone reported my brother. Everyone reported. So everyone reported me because my brother just came on. My older brother just came on the mic.
I'm new to this update.
And I told him to shut his bitch ass up.
Oh my god! It's a pumpkin! Okay, the pumpkin's actually durable. New sound effects is it's cool though. Sound effects are cool.
Guys, let's just go sell some stuff.
Bet. Is there anything new? Is that because I'm new to this update?
Whoa,
what the hell is that? Whoa!
Some sort of
What the f-
molten dimension.
Yo, guys, anyone has a flashlight?
What do you mean?
Guys,
a
do
flashlight?
this, guys.
I don't think we need a
do this glitch.
flashlight. I don't think we need a flashlight because the anger.
Guys, do this glitch, man. Don't you want to do this glitch? I did the
What are you
glitch.
screaming at?
Do this glitch if you want to know how to get sunlight in here. Come with me if you want to know how to do the glitch to get sunlight in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow them just in case I die. When I put my house so dirty, I left the room since safe body.
Okay, there's only one person supposed to be in here, so you're supposed to like.
I left up my house so dirty. Oh, there's new art. Wait, there's new fan art. Wait, there's new fan art. What?
Yo, bro, we're doing.
No, there's new fan art. Wait,
Why come?
board. Wait, please let that be my art on the board. Please, where is it?
Going back
There was
down.
some. What was it? Oh, never mind. No, it's not on the board. Fuck.
Why are you screaming at the top of your lungs?
Whoa.
And me.
Whoa. Okay, what the fuck is that? It's probably an orange flashlight. It's probably have the same model. Oh no, that's just the same. Oh, that price has gone up. The price has gone up for this. That's crazy. Everything's like gone up. Wait, whoa. I'm gonna get a camera just in case. I'm gonna get a camera just for cool pics like that. Where are you guys?
Shut your female.
Where are you guys? I'm new to this update. Where are you guys? You guys in chicken? Where are you guys? I'm looking for you. Where are you? I'm new.
I'm not selling you, bro.
Tell me, because I actually don't know where you are. I'm starting to freak out.
Look on your map.
Brother, you're not on my map. I'm not even in forest. I'm in the hub. Where are you guys? The map actually, the map's not gonna work. Oh, I hear something. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? I'm literally in safe zone. Where the hell are you guys? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? That's Mexican.
We have opened the door. Shut up!
Where are you guys?
I'm going back. At the bottom of the mansion,
Random one, there you go.
where the creepy crystal.
Oh my god, guys, I've been waiting for you guys. Where are you?
I'm going back.
You going back? Where? Why are you? Where? Where are you? I'm new to this update, don't forget. I have no clue where the fuck you at right now.
I'm at the store. When you die, you come back to the store
There you are.
from there.
There you are. Where were you? Where were you? Where the actual fuck
Somebody
were?
send me money.
A whole new world.
See how much money you got?
Where's the giant?
Okay, sure. Wait, where were you? Where were you earlier?
Was it a mansion?
What do you mean mansion? I'm new to this update, remember?
Bro, come with me.
The fuck you mean mansion? This is not. What the fuck do you mean? Is that a reference?
I miss my
to
old
Luigi's
boy.
Mansion? What the fuck are you talking about?
Stand there. Bro, stand there. Come here, bro. Stand
I'm
there.
Gilbert.
Stand on that.
No.
Stand on that. Just stand on that.
Wait.
Stand on that, bro. It gives you money.
No, it does not. I know what that fucking is.
I
I'm
know.
new to this update. I wasn't born from a Luigi's Mansion back in when the fucking that came out. Wait, where are we going? Where are we going? What the fuck do you
Turn the
mean?
light off.
Do you mean by Luigi? What do you mean by mansion? Do you
Red,
mean a
red,
reference
stop,
to
stop.
Luigi's Mansion?
Stop it, Red.
I think. What? Brother's guts went. Brother, your guts just went straight into me. I wonder what these are. What the fuck are these?
Back to the store.
Yeah, but like, what do you mean by Luigi? Like, what do you mean by mansion? Are you just making a reference of Luigi's Mansion? You're just wasting my time. Okay, someone said. Yo, wait. Someone said about a mansion. Someone said a mansion. I don't know what the mansion is all about. Where's the mansion?
Oh, it's in caves.
What the fuck?
It's
do
at
you
the
mean?
back of the
What do you
cave.
mean by mansion?
Let's
Is
go.
it Luigi's Mansion? What the fuck?
Yes, it's.
No,
I
bro,
like
I
it.
just got your back.
Ah.
Did you just try to
Look
kill?
at this man. Hey, look at this man.
Where are
Hey.
you going?
Look at me backpack.
I know we're going to Angle Cave. I know that, but like,
God damn.
hey!
If Ninja
Why
got
are
a
you
little table face.
I keep missing.
Yo, what's going on down there?
Oh! Run! He's after me. He's after. Well, that's easy. Got money. Good. That sounds a light. Oh, okay. Okay, that's useful. Okay, that's useful. Okay, that's useful. I like that. Hey guys, where are you? I see you all die.
I'm a
Yeah,
money
why are you dying?
for
Why are you dying? What the fuck was that? What the fuck fuck was that about you dying? I'm throwing this away. I don't need that. He's probably down here. Don't try to lie. Cause he might come. The fuck you mean about mansion? Like, what kind of mansion is there?
It's a haunted mansion.
Okay, Luigi's Mansion restaurants, okay. Wait, so can we go?
Do you
Can we
unlock
go?
the door? The big door?
Is there any monsters in the mansion? Is there any monsters?
Yes.
What monster? It's like
Grandma.
What the fuck do you mean by grandma? Go. Run! Run! Out of the way! Out of the way! Out of the way! Shit! The hell is that? What? Okay, go! 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 Hurry! Shit!
Come to the man.
Fuck! 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 Fucking go! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Oh god!
Just stay here. We're gonna be safe.
Where is he? Where is he? Where are they? Where is he? It's in the house. Wait. Oh, me no likey. Me no likey. What the fuck was that?
That was Grandma.
What the fuck? What do you mean by grandma? Do you mean like grandma from fucking Roblox? Fuck. What is that? Granny's house. She be freaking me out.
I just wanna go home.
Wait, why do you have a bat? What are you gonna do with that? Stay back! Fuck! Oh, right over here, right over here. Wait. Yo. It's clear, it's clear, it's clear.
Grandma somewhere.
What the fuck you mean by grandma? What the fuck you mean by grandma?
What? Grandma.
Oh, baby,
It's literally.
the hell are you talking about? Oh, he was screaming. Who was that? In my ear. Who the fuck is doing that?
That is Grandma.
What the fuck do you mean by grandma? What do you mean like Granny's house? She be freaking me out.
Over here. In here. Rob. In here.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, I see a bee.
Break these. Break this. Oh, break
How are we
that.
supposed to break this?
Shotgun.
Shotgun? What the fuck do you
Anything.
mean by shotgun? Where are we gonna magically appear a shotgun?
I don't have a shotgun, you freaking moron.
Okay, wait, is there any monsters? Oh, you can shut the doors.
No, I think it's fine.
Yeah, Grandma's here.
Nothing's down there. What the fuck do you mean grandma's here? Flashbangs me the fuck out.
Bob, what a cool. Over here.
Alright, nothing's here, nothing's here.
Nothing in there.
Yeah, nothing's here, so we're alright. So we okay, we alright.
What's in here?
We
Which chest is here?
can. We okay.
Take that. Beans. Take it. Turn on the flashlight. I can't see.
Turn on the flashlight.
What did I just say? Turn on the flashlight.
I can't see jack shit. I can't see jack shit for your exoskeletons.
It's freaking broken, you dumbass.
Wrong way. Oh, we're here. Run. Key! Wait, is that the key? Wait. Oh, that's it. What is... Okay, how the fuck are we supposed to get back? What are we looking for? What are we looking for?
I don't know.
Like, is there a monster?
Bro, come on,
Or
man.
we should be...
I'm not even-
Wait, we gotta go there. We gotta go there.
Who's down here? What monster is in
Timmy
here?
down. Oh,
Is
please.
it Timmy?
He can't be down
Is
there.
Timmy down here? Like the mimic?
Oh, please. The
Is the mimic down here? Is the mimic down here? In here?
We go.
Yes, bro. I'm here.
Oh, nothing. Oh god.
Come on.
What the hell are we doing? Oh, what the fuck?
Open sesame. Exactly.
Nina, what the fuck?
Guys, where are you?
What actually.
Because I'll make you a
Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Oh, this is guys. Everyone, do not look at the heart. It's a particle accelerator. I've been in one of these. Shit. It might work. Fuck it. Actually, flashbang. Do you remember? I've been in a particle accelerator one. No, not that. Not the back, but I've been in a particle accelerator. Woo! I was a black hole again. What? Oh my god, my eyes. What the fuck? What the hell is this? Well, we definitely don't mean needing this. What the hell? What is this? Let me just point out this. Oh shit, I actually grabbed it. Holy shit. Wait, I'm gonna go back in and see if I can get my more. Oh no, it's closed. No, don't go back. Yo, there's a key. We need a key. We need a key for something.
There was a key down the hallway. Oh shit.
Follow me.
Yeah,
Follow
no, that's
me.
a key. That's a key. We don't need a key. The hell are you talking about?
No, we don't.
Follow.
Oh,
Well, we need a key for something.
no, we don't. All we gotta do is just do this parkour and jump into that area. That's all we gotta do.
What the hell do you mean? The fuck you mean? I am bitch. I ain't donut. I don't know. I'm not Google. Mom, please. Like anybody Crenshaw. Ah shit. Oh, I did the most fucking dream. I did the most sacrifice ever.
What's going on?
Can you shut
Oh, what the f? Cocaine.
Shut the hell up?
Okay.
You're welcome for the money.
So what's this? Wait. Oh, it's up to win. Whoa. Wait, is this it? Wait, did we just... Wait, is this it? Wait, did we won? Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. That is just so... How was that it? I say we get the chicken egg. I say we get the chicken. Marvin, please. Oh, fuck. Where are we going? I'm just lost. Whoop. Whoop. I wonder if... Oh. Okay, we know how now we know how to not alert the thing. Now we know how to not alert the thing. But okay, these are so OP now. I fucking love these now. Yes, these are so fucking OP. This is why I love this game. But they make so many good fucking creations, man. Look what I've got, mate. After all 10,000 miles. Hey guys, I know how to I know how to not alert the chicken anymore.
On down.
I got the chicken egg.
No, don't aim for the chicken. That's boring.
I've already got it. I did not even alert the chicken. I just grabbed it from the flipping gun. You're welcome for the money.
Now, who took my gravity gun?
You come to now. Come in.
Wait. So many grenades.
Alright, let's go down.
Let's start war.
Is anybody coming to the haunted mansion?
I'm not. So I know what I'm doing.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
I'm doing something better.
Let me just go past this area.
Shit.
Bro, it's closed.
I'm coming, guys. I'm coming.
Do you see my light?
This is more easier than a
I'm on the other side, bro.
crossbow. This is so
Come
easy
on.
than a fucking crossbow, man.
There you go,
You don't
I'll
even
wait
have
for you.
to go near the fucking monsters.
I'm actually stuck in the middle, man. I can't get through all in.
I'm done.
I think I might know where it is.
Okay, I'll be stuck in the middle for you.
See you later. I am out. I am not dealing with that angler shit. I am not dealing with this. I still don't get it what the monster's about. Like in the fucking mansion. I don't get it. I haven't seen the monster yet. This,
Yes.
what is the monster in the fucking mansion about? I still haven't seen it.
You look like you should be in a colour box, you know, the colour you're on.
Where are you guys? I'm scared.
Bro, I can see you right now. I can see you with the flash.
Help! I'm scared.
Bro, you blew. Whoa.
Look, mine. How can you see me? I'm in the hub. I'm in the center of the lobby. How can you see me? You got a pretty good deal.
Yeah, I'm inside the door. I can see you, bro.
I was in my prime. Alright guys, this is the end of today's video. Peace out, me dudes.